guys, this is Eddie, and I got another 2009 Honda Fit here. We got water leaking in the back. It had filled up the spare tire well. It's leaking at the seams here. You can see the trails of water near the hatch area, and it's filling up down at the bottom there. I always talk about water trailing, leaving marks. As you can see, it's leaving all kinds of dirt marks down here. You can see where it's been trailing. When you're looking for water leaks, just look for those trail marks. You got more water on the other side behind the panel. Again, it's leaking right up here next to the seam. And this is where we found the cracks and stuff. Up next to there's the hinges for the hatch, right in the channel where the rubber strip goes along the roof. Follow it down. There's usually cracks right in the seam sealer all along here. So we just use some 3M seam sealer, seal it up, and once you look at the other side too, make sure you get all the cracks, cover them up, and then once it dries, water test it, and should be good. But that's usually what we're finding on the Fits now. So looking for a water leak, look right at that seam here. You'll see the rust marks, and you'll see the trails of water going down. So take a look, put the seam sealer in, let it dry, water test it, you should be good. Any questions, leave them in the box below and I'll be happy to answer for you. Thanks.